Arrived at first beach. Oh yeah, it's kind of sketchy. Check it out. What's up guys? Today I am super excited because we are going on a road trip in the drift car. There's loads of nice roads and stuff in Wales and hopefully some places to do some skiddies. We're gonna sort of do like a tour all around Wales, stopping at different places. I might do it in one video, I might do it in 2 parts, I'm not sure yet, we'll just see. But I'll be getting loads of POV and some nice driving stuff as well. Yeah, this should be fun. Hopefully the car makes it. Let's start this road trip. I got Ross a little present so that he's not lonely in the car. You don't have to be on your own, Ross. You can have company, mate.
Don't put this on camera.
Yeah, you're reunited, mate. There you go. She's ready, Ross. There you go. Safety first. Ross doesn't like the idea of having her in the back. It's all ready. We've got some cup holders installed. Oh yeah. It's going to be the most fuel she's ever going to have in her, mate. How much fuel fits in this thing? Oh my god. Jeez. Car has made it to the first destination. We're in Bath. Pretty nice here. Quite nice, isn't it, Roscoe?
Simply lovely.
Simply lovely. Diagon Alley, mate. Bamboo bicycle. Send this down the trail, isn't it? Won't last very long.
Backflip easy, mate.
Yeah. Finished at Bath now. Now going to Cardiff. Cardiff is the next spot. Bath's quite nice actually. Isn't it? Right, Cardiff.
Watching out the old windows.
Yeah. We arrived in Cardiff. We're all here. We lost Ross. Car made it. Made it all right. The passenger window don't work and it is hot. I don't know how hot it is, but it is so hot. We were sweating. It was not nice. No aircon, no nothing. Also, if you ever come Cardiff, there's a speed bump. Every 2 meters there's a speed bump, and it's not even that low, but it was hitting on every speed bump. But we're at the hotel now. We'll check in and then I'll pick you back up. Right, so it's day 2 or 3. You really little fan up. I didn't film anything in Cardiff because, well, we just got drunk and walked around shops. Didn't really do much. We've left Cardiff now. We're in some random town in the mountains. Got Roscoe. It is hot. That window doesn't go down, so we're driving up to Beacons or whatever it's called, the mountain range. So, alright, so we made it to the first waterfall. Don't understand how tempting it was to start sliding around in here. I did a little bit, but don't want to get kicked out. On the way out, we might do some little skiddies. There's Roscoe, look at him. Champ. Go on, yank the handbrake. I just wanted to bloody do some spinnies on the way out.
Stared at you.
Yeah. Made it to the first set of waterfalls.
Back of the wood.
Yeah. We were under the impression that you could just park up and go to them, but no, it's like a 3 to 4 hour walk. Pretty nice. It's pretty sick. Yeah, it's hot, isn't it? Drink. Paradise. Always wants the nice photos. crazy that this is literally a 3-hour drive from our house? Feels like we're in France or somewhere. It's like completely different. Definitely picked the best day to come here though. Nice and warm. That's all we brought for lunch. Banging. Best sweets ever. Smash.
We're naming it.
Look at that one, that's so high. How much to run through and knock them all over? 10 out of 10. Deal. Jeez. That's quite high. So fresh. So we finished the waterfall walk. If you're thinking about doing it, it was really good, but it was a long walk. It was about 3.5 hours or so of walking, and we're in the middle of nowhere. We're literally going down some sketchy alleys in Wales. Yeah, we just checked into our second hotel, had a shower, and we're just going to get some food now. We're in Ross's car, driving the whip, go and get some beer and some food. Pick the camera back up tomorrow. We're going to Peterborough, the beaches. See you there. Right, so we're checking out of hotel number 2 in somewhere in Wales. I don't even know where we are. Now we're going to head to Pembrokeshire, some cool beaches there. Like all blue beaches and stuff, so we're going to go there. We've swapped cars. I'm driving the Ford. Roscoe's driving the Beamer. He can suffer today. No aircon, window don't go down. Fun times. Alright, see you there. We made it to Pembrokeshire. We're just going to go get some breakfast now, and then we'll check out the beaches, I think, or find the hotel, then check out the beaches. Oh yeah. Yeah, people like obviously like. Arrived at first beach. So fresh. Actually feels like we're in Spain. Actual sand. Haven't seen sand in years. So slick. It's quite cold, the water, I'm not gonna lie. It's about 27 degrees out, but the water's still cold. Freshy little cave. Ross is worried about the crabs, but pretty sure he's carrying more of them. Oh, there's so many crab shells. Why is there bubbles coming from underneath? Huh? There's bubbles coming from the sand. Look, fishy. Look, there's bubbles. Not anymore there ain't. There's some kids over there throwing a jellyfish at each other. How's that not stinging? Well, it looks creepy in there. I was like, what the hell is that? It's a dog. Yeah, seal. It's so fresh. Look at that, it looks mad. Wild doggy. It literally feels like we're in Spain, like this clear water. Pembrokeshire, mate, is the place to be. See, it's warm here, isn't it? Oh my god. Freezing, isn't it? Everywhere here in Wales is a long old walk. You can't pull up and park and then go to the beach or go to the waterfalls or go to the lake or anything. Everything's marked. At least we've got a nice view. Nice little lake. Made it to the third hotel, put some YouTube on. Go subscribe, go subscribe. Stop farting, Roscoe. It's you, Ross. So we found this pretty sweet spot to take some photos of the car. I don't know if we're going to be able to get down there, but it looks pretty fresh, I'll show you. Thinking about going down there, but is it going to scrape? Let's give it a go. Oh yeah, it's kind of sketchy. Look at this, fresh. Oh, my foot. There's not many places you get to do this. Look. Jeez. Sunsets look so sick here. We came here last night and thought, oh, we better bring the car down here. I don't see why it's not allowed or anything, so might as well. Hope you enjoyed the rollers. It'd be cool to do a little burnout on here, but it's probably not a good idea. There's loads of people watching. Jeez. Look at that view though. Looks mad. Mad. Bernie? We are now on the road to Elan Valley. Some pretty nice roads already. It is hot, but we keep having to overtake loads of people, as you can see. We're constantly getting farmer vehicles in front of us. Lovely roads, mate. And these roads are so sick. Been flying. Tyres are cooking. A little sticky. Felt them getting a little bit squeamish, so thought I'd pull over, let it cool down for a bit. But the roads are so sick here. I'll try and get some GoPro footage a bit later on. Made it to the first dam. So fresh. Ah. Oh yeah. Send the downhill bike down there. Quite low at the moment. Spot number 2. Look at this. It's gorgeous. That looks quite deep though. So fresh. This is probably normally full. It's quite low at the moment. It looks so sick. Next dam. Jeez. Found sheep. Meh. What do you reckon? Skid it around the roundabout? Just out for a rip, found this beauty. Check it out. Oh yeah, so fresh. Oh, I want to dip in there.
swabbing size up.
Careful, these sheep could just run out in front of us. This one?
The police just gone past, but do you know what?
Yeah.
The police.
This is the last hotel. It's pretty fresh actually, quite nice. We've got the disabled bathroom for Ross. They knew he was coming. Quite a nice view. Very nice, very nice, very nice, huh? Can't complain about this. Coronas, look at that view. Pretty decent, eh, Roscoe?
Simply lovely.
Ross is still glowing like a squishy. Show him the squishy. Jesus. Last day in Wales, or last night in Wales. Be driving back to boring Brighton tomorrow. Fun. I'll catch back up with you tomorrow. Old Peugeot T16 Group B rally car. So fresh. That's it. Alright, so we just got back home now. I obviously didn't film the journey back because it was a bit boring, but it was just a long journey. So hot though. Obviously the window don't open, and it's been the hottest few days we've had in a long time. But it was such a good trip. Can't wait to go again. Love the roads. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.